Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. In today's fast-paced world, batteries power everything from our smartphones to electric cars. But have you ever wondered how these essential power sources are made? Join us on a journey through time as we explore the fascinating history of battery manufacturing. The story of batteries begins thousands of years ago, with ancient civilizations experimenting with electrochemical cells. The Baghdad battery, discovered in Iraq, dates back to the Parthian period and is believed to be one of the earliest examples of a battery-like device. It consists of a clay jar containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod. Inside the jar, researchers discovered evidence of an acidic substance, such as vinegar or wine, which could have served as an electrolyte. The theory behind the Baghdad battery is that it could have been used as a primitive form of battery to generate a small electric current. When the copper cylinder and iron rod come into contact with the electrolyte, they create a simple electrochemical cell. Similarly, Alessandro Volta's invention of the voltaic pile in the late 18th century paved the way for modern battery technology. It consists of alternating discs of zinc and copper separated by layers of cardboard or felt soaked in an electrolyte solution, such as salt water or sulfuric acid. The discs are arranged in a stack, with each zinc disc connected to a copper disc through the electrolyte-soaked separator. When Volta constructed the first voltaic pile, he observed that it produced a continuous electric current. This discovery challenged the prevailing belief that electricity could only be produced by chemical reactions involving separate bodies of metal and electrolyte. The Industrial Revolution brought significant advancements in battery manufacturing. Lead-acid batteries, with their ability to store and release electricity through a reversible chemical reaction, became the standard for early electrical systems. These batteries were crucial for powering telecommunication networks, early automobiles, and even submarines. As the 20th century dawned, Thomas Edison's invention of the alkaline battery revolutionized portable power. Alkaline batteries offered higher energy density and longer lifespan compared to their lead-acid counterparts. With the advent of consumer electronics, such as radios and flashlights, alkaline batteries quickly became ubiquitous. The latter half of the 20th century witnessed the rise of rechargeable batteries, offering consumers a more sustainable and cost-effective power solution. Nickel-cadmium batteries, introduced in the 1950s, were among the first commercially successful rechargeable batteries. However, concerns over cadmium's environmental impact led to the development of safer alternatives. In the 1990s, the emergence of lithium-ion batteries marked a significant milestone in battery technology. These lightweight, high-energy density batteries became the go-to choice for powering everything from laptops to electric vehicles. Now, let's take a closer look at how lithium-ion batteries, one of the most prevalent battery types today, are manufactured. The process begins with the production of electrode materials. Graphite is used for the anode, while lithium cobalt oxide, lithium iron phosphate, or other lithium compounds are used for the cathode. These materials are mixed with binders and solvents to create a slurry, which is then coated onto metal foils. Precision coating machines ensure uniform thickness and distribution of the electrode materials. Next, the coated foils are passed through a drying process to remove excess solvents, leaving behind thin electrode layers. These electrodes are then cut into precise shapes and assembled into battery cells, along with separators and electrolyte solutions. Assembly lines carefully integrate these components, with each step monitored for quality control and consistency. Once assembled, the cells undergo testing to ensure they meet performance and safety standards. Testing facilities simulate real-world conditions, subjecting batteries to temperature extremes, mechanical stress, and overcharging scenarios to evaluate their durability and safety. From raw materials to finished products, the manufacturing of batteries involves a complex yet meticulously orchestrated process. As we look ahead, innovations in battery manufacturing will continue to drive advancements in technology, powering the devices and vehicles that shape our world. The journey through the history of battery manufacturing reveals a remarkable tale of human ingenuity, innovation, and perseverance. From the ancient experiments with electrochemical cells to the sophisticated production processes of modern lithium-ion batteries, each era has contributed to shaping the evolution of battery technology. The earliest attempts at harnessing electricity, exemplified by artifacts like the Baghdad battery and the voltaic pile, laid the foundation for the exploration of electrochemistry. These early pioneers, driven by curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, paved the way for future discoveries that would revolutionize the way we power our world. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant advancements in battery manufacturing, with the widespread adoption of lead-acid batteries powering the burgeoning electrical systems of the time. These robust batteries played a crucial role in electrifying industries, transportation, and communication networks, laying the groundwork for the modern age of technology. The 20th century witnessed a rapid expansion in the variety and accessibility of battery technologies. From the advent of alkaline batteries, which provided portable power for a myriad of consumer devices, to the development of rechargeable batteries like nickel-cadmium and lithium-ion, which offered greater efficiency and sustainability. Each innovation fueled the growth of industries and transformed the way we live and work. Today, the manufacturing of batteries has become a highly sophisticated process, characterized by precision engineering, advanced materials science, and stringent quality control measures. State-of-the-art facilities employ cutting-edge technologies to produce batteries with higher energy density, longer lifespan, and improved safety profiles. Looking ahead, the future of battery manufacturing holds immense promise and potential. Breakthroughs in materials science, such as the development of solid-state batteries and next-generation electrode materials, offer the prospect of even higher performance and energy density. Furthermore, advancements in manufacturing processes, automation, and digitalization are poised to further enhance efficiency and reduce costs. In essence, the history of battery manufacturing is a testament to human creativity, resilience, and adaptability. From ancient civilizations tinkering with clay jars and metal rods to modern-day engineers pushing the boundaries of electrochemistry in state-of-the-art laboratories, the quest for better batteries continues to drive progress and innovation. As we embark on the next chapter of this journey, one thing remains certain: the power of batteries will continue to shape the world we live in, powering our devices, fueling our industries, and propelling us towards a more sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and manufacturing of batteries. We hope you gained valuable insights into the evolution of this essential technology and its profound impact on our daily lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.